But I've had critics talk about the sound and quality of the show. It might just be my voice. I sound like this in real life. You see me in real life, I might just sound low quality. And you'd be like, man, it's okay. I get it now. It's not the microphone. It's actually you. So I'll go to a speech therapist for that. But I'm doing my best. I'm working on making everything better as I can. And please do like, subscribe, share the channel. Your comments are a huge help. And of course, my book will be out September 1st of this year through Skyhorse. I'm very, very proud of this book. You can pre-order that now. It's on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, Books A Million.